This video will show you how to edit the assessment settings. There are two options to do this. Either scroll down to the Assessment Editor module on the dashboard, or use the left-hand menu to navigate to the Assessment Editor as well. From here, you will see a list of all of your different assessments, noting that you can't actually see them within the courses. There are a few options for each of the assessment items. You can view the assessment, edit the assessment, delete the assessment, or edit the assessment settings, which is what we're going to do in this video. Locate the assessment settings that you wish to edit and click the button. Here, there are a few fields to consider. Firstly, you can change the assessment title. You can also change the assessment status, remembering that draft means your users will not see the assessment, whereas published means that they will. As mentioned in a video on the course editor series, you can set and edit the assessment pass rate. You can have the pass rate right through from 0% up to 100%, meaning that the user needs to achieve whichever level that you set in order to pass. Generally, the most common used percentage is around 70%. You can opt to present your questions in a question bank. This means that the system will call upon all of the questions that you have entered and will show them in a bank of random questions. If you do not want to do this and you want your user to attempt all of the questions you have listed, select the first option here. You have the option to adjust the question order, which the most commonly used is to present all questions in the order you created, or you can randomize your questions. You can set the maximum attempts that your user can take for the assessment. It's set to 3 attempts as that one is the most common. This means that the user can try a question 3 times before being locked out. Following on from that is that you can have some actions after this attempt fail. So you can block the access, remove the course from the user, or add a delay of 1 through to 10 days for accessing the course. You'll notice that you can check the box to send an email to the learner once the delay is over. When you have made your changes, click Update, and this will save all of your settings. Note as well that from the Assessment Editor, you can edit the assessment by clicking Edit Assessment, just as we learned in the previous video on creating a new assessment.